Hey guys, this is Unit 1, Formative 2, day number 6. This is over proportions, and this is 2.6 in your book. Okay, so let's look at a few of these. When I talk about proportions, I'm talking about a fraction that equals a fraction. To solve for these, what we do is we cross multiply. Okay, so let's try a few of these now. Okay, if we look at number 1, this is x over 4 equals 6 over negative 3. And since it's set up as a fraction equal to a fraction, I'm going to use cross multiplication to solve for x here. Okay, so I'm going to take my, I'm going to go this way first and take x times negative 3 to get negative 3x, and then set that equal to, okay, it's very important, set equal to the other way, which is 4 times 6, or 24. Okay, and now to solve for x, I divide by negative 3 on both sides, and get x equals negative 8 for my answer. Alright, next we have 1 over 8 times x equals 6 over 7. This one looks a little bit different with our x off to the side, but remember we could just put x over 1, and really the x would be on top then if we multiplied. So I'm going to rewrite this as x over 8, which is the exact same thing, equals 6 over 7. Now if I cross multiply, going this way first, I have 7x, and then going this way, 8 times 6 is 48, so I set that equal to 48. Now, when I divide by 7 on both sides, I have x equals, and this is where I think, can anything go into both 48 and 7? Well, no, and so I just can leave it as 48 over 7 as my answer. Okay, next. Okay, number 3 is a little bit different. It says x plus 1 over x minus 2 equals 2/3. So a lot of things going on here. Now, when I have multiple things going on at the top and bottom of my fraction, I think of this as like it's in parentheses. So I'm just going to draw in my parentheses. And then when I cross multiply, this is set up kind of like the distributive property we did a few days back. So I have 3 times the quantity x plus 1 equals, and I go this way, I cross multiply, and I have 2 times the quantity x minus 2. Now I can distribute my 3 in and my 2 in, and when I do that I have 3x plus 3, don't forget to distribute both things in, that's 1 times 3 is 3 there, equals 2 times x is 2x minus 4. Okay, and now I can just solve for x like we did the other day. And so I'm going to subtract 2x over on both sides. They'll go away over here, and I'll just be left with 1x on this side plus 3 equals negative 4. And when I subtract 3 on both sides now, I get x equals negative 7 for my answer. Okay, that's it for this one, and we'll see you tomorrow. Be sure you have notes on this.